We don't know if they're untouched. Oh. And then the other thing about this is when you put in a serial number on like Apple's checker, you can see that it is not registered. So whoever got this phone originally, which I think they said the name of the original owner who brought it in, never registered it. It was never used. It was never activated. But that doesn't mean it was never opened. So this is very much a trust exercise. So many layers. This is like a Russian doll of OG tech products. Now this is the one where I need to be careful. I'm a professional, guys. It's fine. This is fine. There it is. That is the packaging of this brand new, but also not so brand new, original iPhone. You can see it's got a little bit of browning around it. I'm not too put off by that. And some of the articles that I read online after I bought it were saying basically this break here in the corner and some other factors are possibly why it went a little bit lower than the record $60,000 price. It also has this upside down Lucky You sticker. Every article that I've read, that I've looked up about this Lucky You sticker, nobody seems to know what it is. It's kind of confusing because it is super rare. Other original sealed iPhones don't have this sticker. I even asked people at Apple, they don't know what it means.